Hi there, welcome back to my channel. For those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And what I'm doing today is actually opening up hay bales, round hay bales, to put them into squares. This is all I have left for now in hay, and they want squares, so I have to spread out the hay, roll it up, and rebale it. So it's pretty tedious trying to roll. I was rolling the bales down the hill, trying to get it in the right, like if you open it up the wrong way, you got to go uphill, but I'm trying to go downhill, so it's easier, and there's less hay down there. Okay. So I'm going to roll that and bale it. I'm trying to get the pick. See, there's the pick sticking out. You can see it there. Okay, and I'm trying to level it out so I can stick it into the bale. So put her in here and let her rip. Oh, got it. Tilt up, lift the bucket, and then I'm going to go bring it out into the field. First gear. Alright, so I'm going to drop it off. It takes like 100 feet, something like. There's supposed to be 11 bales in a round bale, 11 squares. Now I don't know if that's true or not, but if you do the math, surface area, I think it works out to that. So I can shut this off for now because it's going to be sitting here for a few minutes. And now I'm just going to bust the ropes open. I hope this is rolled up in the correct way. If not, I have to flip it around somehow. I would need both hands to show you everything going on, so there, and I'm going to pull the ropes out. So this is what it looks like. So Start her up. Lift the bucket. And line her up. I got some old hay still on the field, some old rows of stuff I didn't want to bale. And I got to make sure it doesn't get into this bale, or the small bales I'm trying to make. I'm going to back up here. See what I can do. This is first gear, maybe. Oh, sorry. I'll get you a view of what's going on. There you go. Spinning. So here we go. Stuff is pretty thick. All right. Well, I didn't get the baling portion of it. Let's see. This is what I got out of 3 round bales. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I was expecting 33. And yes, there's one more here, that's 32, and there's a little 33 here. So there is 11 bales in a 4x5 bale round. So for those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. $526.